US Citizenship Civics Test Part 2.
Question 1. If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president? Option A, the Speaker of the House. Option B, the Vice President. Option C, the Secretary of State. Option D, the Chief Justice.
The correct answer is option B, the Vice President. According to the Presidential Succession Act and the 25th Amendment, the Vice President is first in line to assume the presidency.
Question 2. If both the President and the Vice President can no longer serve, who becomes President? Option A, the Speaker of the House. Option B, the Secretary of State. Option C, the President pro tempore of the Senate. Option D, the First Lady.
The correct answer is option A, the Speaker of the House. If both the President and Vice President are incapacitated or removed, the Speaker of the House of Representatives assumes the presidency.
Question 3. Who is the Commander-in-Chief of the military? Option A, the Secretary of Defense. Option B, the Top General of the Army. Option C, the President. Option D, the Chief Justice.
The correct answer is option C, the President. The Constitution designates the President as the Commander-in-Chief, giving civilian control over the U.S. military.
Question 4. Who signs bills to become laws? Option A, the President. Option B, the Vice President. Option C, the Speaker of the House. Option D, the Chief Justice.
The correct answer is option A, the President. After a bill passes both the House and the Senate, the President must sign it for it to become a federal law.
Question 5. Who vetoes bills? Option A, the Supreme Court. Option B, the Senate. Option C, the President. Option D, the Cabinet.
The correct answer is option C, the President. The President has the power to veto, reject, a bill passed by Congress, preventing it from becoming law unless Congress overrides the veto. Master these at quizcprep.com.
Question 6. What does the President's Cabinet do? Option A, makes the laws. Option B, advises the President. Option C, commands the military. Option D, decides if laws are constitutional.
The correct answer is option B, advises the President. The Cabinet's role is to advise the President on any subject he or she may require relating to the duties of each member's respective office.
Question 7. Which of the following are official cabinet-level positions? Option A, Secretary of Education. Option B, Secretary of the Interior. Option C, Speaker of the House. Option D, Secretary of Labor. Option E, Chief Justice.
The correct answers are options A and B and D. Secretary of Education, Secretary of the Interior, Secretary of Labor. The Cabinet includes the Vice President and the heads of 15 executive departments, including Education, Interior, and Labor. The Speaker and Chief Justice belong to different branches.
Question 8. What is the main purpose of the judicial branch? Option A, to make new laws. Option B, to advise the President. Option C, to review laws, explain laws, and resolve disputes. Option D, to sign treaties with other countries.
The correct answer is option C, to review laws, explain laws, and resolve disputes. The judicial branch interprets the meaning of laws, applies laws to individual cases, and decides if laws violate the Constitution.
Question 9. What is the highest court in the United States? Option A, the Federal Court of Appeals. Option B, the Supreme Court. Option C, the District Court. Option D, the State Supreme Court.
The correct answer is option B, the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is the highest tribunal in the nation and the final authority on the U.S. Constitution and federal law.
Question 10. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? Option A, 7. Option B, 9. Option C, 11. Option D, 12.
The correct answer is option B, 9. There are currently 9 justices on the Supreme Court, 1 Chief Justice and 8 Associate Justices. Master these at quizcprep.com.
Question 11. Under our Constitution, some powers belong exclusively to the federal government. Which of the following are federal powers? Option A, to print money, option B, to declare war, option C, to provide schooling and education, option D, to make treaties, option E, to issue driver's licenses.
The correct answers are options A and B and D. To print money, to declare war, to make treaties. Printing money, declaring war, and making treaties are powers given only to the federal government. Education and driver's licenses are state powers.
Question 12. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. Which of the following is a state power? Option A, to print money, option B, to create an army, option C, to make treaties, option D, to provide schooling and education.
The correct answer is option D, to provide schooling and education. The 10th Amendment reserves powers not delegated to the federal government to the states, such as providing public education and local police protection.
Question 13. What is the capital of the United States? Option A, New York City, option B, Philadelphia, option C, Washington, D.C., option D, Boston.
The correct answer is option C, Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C., District of Columbia, has been the capital of the United States since 1800.
Question 14. What are the two major political parties in the United States? Option A, Democratic and Republican, option B, Liberal and Conservative, option C, Green and Libertarian, option D, Reform and Independent.
The correct answer is option A, Democratic and Republican. While other third parties exist, the United States has a two-party system dominated by the Democratic Party and the Republican Party.
Question 15. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Which of the following is a true statement describing one of them? Option A, only citizens with a job can vote. Option B, citizens 18 and older can vote. Option C, you must pay a poll tax to vote. Option D, only natural-born citizens can vote.
The correct answer is option B. Citizens 18 and older can vote. The 26th Amendment lowered the voting age to 18. Other amendments ensure voting rights regardless of race, 15th, or gender, 19th, and prohibit poll taxes, 24th. Master these at quizcprep.com.
Question 16. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? Option A, paying taxes. Option B, obeying the law. Option C, serving on a jury. Option D, attending school.
The correct answer is option C, serving on a jury. While everyone must pay taxes and obey the law, only U.S. citizens have the civic responsibility to serve on a jury and vote in federal elections.
Question 17. Name one right that is exclusively for United States citizens. Option A, freedom of speech. Option B, right to bear arms. Option C, freedom of religion. Option D, voting in a federal election.
The correct answer is option D, voting in a federal election. Non-citizens living in the U.S. have constitutional rights like freedom of speech and religion, but only citizens can vote in federal elections.
Question 18. Which of the following are rights of everyone living in the United States? Option A, freedom of expression. Option B, freedom to petition the government. Option C, right to vote for president. Option D, freedom of worship. Option E, right to a U.S. passport.
The correct answers are options A and B and D. Freedom of expression, freedom to petition the government, freedom of worship. The Bill of Rights protects everyone on U.S. soil, granting freedoms of expression, petition, and religion. Voting and passports are restricted to citizens.
Question 19. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? Option A, the President, Congress, and the courts. Option B, the United States and the flag. Option C, the military and the police. Option D, the Constitution and the Declaration of Independence.
The correct answer is option B, the United States and the flag. The Pledge of Allegiance is a promise of loyalty to the United States and the symbol of the country, the American flag.
Question 20. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen? Option A, to never leave the country. Option B, to give up loyalty to other countries. Option C, to work for the government. Option D, to pay more taxes.
The correct answer is option B. To give up loyalty to other countries. When taking the oath of allegiance, new citizens promise to renounce loyalty to foreign nations and defend the U.S. Constitution. Master these at quizcprep.com.
Question 21. How old do citizens have to be to vote for president? Option A, 16 and older. Option B, 18 and older. Option C, 21 and older. Option D, 25 and older.
The correct answer is option B, 18 and older. The 26th Amendment to the Constitution, ratified in 1971, guarantees the right to vote for all U.S. citizens aged 18 and older.
Question 22. What are two ways that Americans can participate in their democracy? Option A, vote and join a civic group. Option B, pay taxes and go to school. Option C, work hard and buy a house. Option D, get a driver's license and travel.
The correct answer is option A, vote and join a civic group. Voting, joining civic/community groups, calling senators, and running for office are active ways citizens participate in democracy.
Question 23. When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms? Option A, January 1st. Option B, April 15th. Option C, July 4th. Option D, December 31st.
The correct answer is option B, April 15th. April 15th is traditionally tax day in the United States, the deadline for individuals to file their federal tax returns.
Question 24. When must all men register for the Selective Service? Option A, at age 16. Option B, at any age. Option C, between 18 and 26. Option D, after they turn 30.
The correct answer is option C, between 18 and 26. By law, all male U.S. citizens and male immigrant non-citizens must register with the Selective Service within 30 days of their 18th birthday, up until age 26.
Question 25. What is one reason colonists came to America? Option A, to study at universities. Option B, for freedom, political and religious. Option C, to escape the American Revolution. Option D, to join the U.S. military.
The correct answer is option B, for freedom, political and religious. Colonists came to America for various reasons, primarily seeking religious freedom, political liberty, and economic opportunity.